We will prepare the Bhatura dough first. In a kneading plate, add the maida. Make a well in the center. Now put in the semolina, baking soda, baking powder, salt, yogurt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix the ingredients until they combine well. The prepared dough has to be soft. Add water in little quantity at a time and knead the dough. Once the dough is formed, knead it for about 10 minutes until it is soft and smooth. When the dough is kneaded well, it will result in a soft and fluffy bhatura. We have used about half a cup of water to prepare the dough. Now apply some oil on the dough. Knead the dough for a few minutes more. The bhatura dough is ready. You can see how soft and smooth it is. Apply some oil all over the dough, then put it in a box and cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour, our dough is ready. We will take it out and put in the kneading plate and knead it for a minute. Grease your hands with oil before kneading. The dough has been kneaded again. Now we'll prepare pedas or small flat balls of dough. The flat dough balls are ready. They are about 8 in number, and now we'll keep the oil to heat up on medium flame. Put oil as needed in the wok and let it heat up while we prepare or roll out the bhaturas. The oil is getting hot and we will now roll out the bhaturas. Grease the rolling surface as well as the rolling pin with oil. Take one peda, flatten it further, then dust it with dry flour and roll it out with the rolling pin. It has to be rolled out thin. Apply more dry flour as and when needed. Ensure the rolled out bhatura is evenly thin. The size of the bhatura can be as per choice. We will roll out another bhatura. We have rolled out 2 bhaturas and we'll fry them now. First we'll check if the oil is hot. We will put a small piece of dough in the hot oil to check the oil. Our oil is hot. We will place 1 bhatura in it. Gently drop the bhatura in the hot oil, then with a slotted ladle, press in the middle repeatedly until the bhatura puffs up. Flip the bhatura as soon as it puffs up. Fry the other side until it is done. Hold the fried bhatura at the side of the wok to let the excess oil drip out. Transfer the bhatura to a tissue-lined plate. Fry the rest of the bhaturas similarly and ensure the oil is really hot when you put in the bhatura. Adjust the heat as needed. We have fried 3 bhaturas, so do try this dish and give us your feedback. If you like the recipe, like the dish, do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.